guys? It's Rick, the legendary cop car explorer. We are gonna be searching not this car right here, but this 2011 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. Got my movie card back here. If you guys haven't seen the new video, it is, ooh, that is loud, all souped up. Yeet. Got Lieutenant Nick here. He's gonna be the security man for today. Yeet. Now, I don't know much about this car, so I am gonna try to figure out what agency it came from. I'm gonna look for guns, goodies, weapons, drugs, equipment. Lieutenant Nick's gonna be doing security patrol today.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Got your Big Daddy Fox right there, huh?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this thing goes up 30 feet.
You want some water? Okay, here, watch out. Do you want, lay down? Okay, go ahead. Don't open your eyes. Don't open your eyes. Spray him. No, don't open him. Don't open him. Poor guy. I don't know if you guys heard what a Crown Vic sounds like without a converter, but I'm about to show you right now. Woo! That's loud. Let's get our search started. Looks like there is a salt and pepper shake Anna. Looks like we have Whelen Liberty light bar. It's like LEDs, really good Goodyear RSA tires. LED red and blues probably, right? Got a Gold Rhino push bar. Nice and sturdy. Very good condition. Some whip antennas. I don't know what in the world happened here. All right, got my gloves on. Safety first. And looks like we got another glove here, a little stretchy glove. All right, let's see what kind of goodies we can find in here. I am super excited. Haven't done one of these search videos in a while. Little mini antenna. Whiteout. All right, let's take a look inside. Lots of goodies. We have a Santa Cruz gun lock. A little speaker. Something to do with the watch guard. I like this.
Oh, that's sweet.
Got a first aid kit. We got some band-aids, eye wash, regular stuff. Let me see.
Got some 12 gauge.
Nice. What is that?
Dude, this is some kind of microphone. Look, it's got wires.
That's a bullet.
No, that's not a bullet. Look, that's a wire. That's a cut wire.
Mm-hmm.
And on the other end, I think it's a microphone.
You're right.
Holy crap! And it's all brass.
That's crazy.
Why? But why all brass? Like it's supposed to be indestructible or something?
I don't know.
That is cool though.
Yeah. Code 3, model 3692. So this is in really good condition.
County of El Dorado.
Is it El Dorado County? Possibly. Oh, this is their paycheck. They make $4,275.
Probably on salary.
Yeah, and how many hours is that?
13,000 hours.
No. Cops don't do it for the money. They do it because they believe in keeping the peace, keeping these criminals in check. Check it out, Motorola CS 2000. Oh, sound off, Roadrunner solid state driven relay flasher. Maybe he was a doctor or he played doctor.
He could have been a police EMT.
Oh, EMT, police EMT. Yeah, that makes sense, right?
Whoa.
Yeah, look, this kind of proves your theory a little bit more. What the heck? He probably confiscated that on 4th of July. Woo! Today is Ukraine Independence Day, so happy birthday, Ukraine. Dude, there's a criminal out there backing up. Watch out, criminal! We just had to make sure you weren't a criminal, so he was ready.
I got stolen property. The whole
you got e-brake on that thing?
What are those?
I forgot what they are, but
Garbage Pail Kids.
You mean Cabbage Patch Kids?
Go, Garbage Pail Kids.
What the hell
Yeah.
is it? Garbage pile?
Garbage Pail Kids.
Yeah, this is for like
Canned Kurt.
Whoa.
Does that remind you of somebody? Ooh, almost missed this. Some EMT knife. Creshaw knife giveaway. Who wants to own this beautiful sharp knife? Whoa. comment below.
Oh,
Knife. Speaking of that, the winner of the handcuffs from last video is this guy right here. Pull out the snake. Pull out the snake.
I tried to learn Russian.
A donut. Look at this. Crack pipe with black crack. Look what I found.
Oh crap.
Crack pipe.
Wait,
give it a go.
Is this what they call Yessie? It's the Yessie drug.
Well, you would have to
That
watch
was still
the
in
video.
there?
Yeah, I don't know what the green stuff is. Here you go, buddy.
I don't want it.
Well,
I don't use.
is that how you use it?
I don't know. We might have to call somebody for some help.
Some advice, huh? Yo, hey, can you go check the south perimeter real quick?
10-4. Everything's clear in the south. I'm gonna go check the north perimeter.
All right, appreciate it. Yep. He got into all the Yessie in the evidence locker. Oh wow. Calm down, funny man. Control, can we get some backup? Bring some backup units, please. Control yourself, funny man. Oh!
Hey, get back now! Back up now! Back!
Let's pause. Medic! Take this off. PC Tel, all this stuff is available, guys. So just let me know what you need down in the comments. Please be a gun. Please be a gun. Please be a gun. Please be a gun. Ooh. Grenade whistle. But you don't know where that's from. Flashlight. Look at this thing. Holy crap, this thing is heavy. It's like a weapon. Amber light. Paperwork. Oh, what the heck is this? What the hell is this? K-9 cannon. Bro, this is like some type of... What the hell? Oh, wow. Whoa.
It's too small. It might come down.
Oh, it's like some type of non-lethal device.
This might come down on us, just letting you know.
Go ahead, shoot it. Oh! Oh my
shit,
gosh, no, not the movie car. Oh! Oh, that was close. I saw that window just shattered before my eyes. I was like, oh no. Go ahead. Dude, that thing is sick. Ooh. So yeah, so basically when criminals are acting up, cops put...
Wait, but no, it says it's for a K-9.
That's probably just the name of it. It's probably, yeah, that's right.
No, I get it.
Huh.
You know those cops that always want to shoot the dogs that are barking?
Right.
This is probably to distract them.
Oh, yeah. Or like
what else it could be?
a non-lethal weapon for dogs.
No, I think I got it now.
Woo!
Yeah, that works a lot better.
Oh, that is sick. I've never seen one before. I wonder,
I don't know where
these
that
are
cop
like
ball went.
police issued or something. This is sick.
Alright, so I think I figured out what this thing is. I think it's some kind of non-lethal projectile shooter. So we're gonna shoot these Molotov cocktails out of it.
Show them. We put some 87 gas in that thing. All right, light it and shoot it. Shoot it. Nope, go ahead, shoot it quick.
Right. Ready?
Yeah, up in the air. Come towards me.
Oh. I didn't go.
Okay, that was a fail.
Dud.
All right, let's do that again.
Here we go. Wow.
That was a failure.
Stay back for a minute though.
Woo-hoo.
Such a fucking fail.
Bro, you shouldn't have let me record that. Get the water.
I really want to make
Go,
sure this
go.
Okay.
This one.